That's all me see it. Everything I gotta do tomorrow. No, in a mute. In a mute. I will speaker now work. Everything I gotta do tomorrow, guys. Cause tomorrow, right now, I have LD now come down. We are direct them. We are do some dinner so everybody can eat. Thank you, baby. Yeah, well, little things are going, but I put things together, whatever. I'm not gonna make that drop my energy. So ear and nails will get done tomorrow. I already have the dress. I already have certain things, so everything will come together. All right. And guess even I roll in. What's up? What's up? You leaving? Okay, so when we see about?
I'm trying to come tomorrow.
Okay, but you're trying?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. Love, baby. All right.
Bye.
I want another. Oh, them get them something. All right. Thank you, and thank you for being here. All right, sweetie.
All right.
You know, God, nothing. Yeah, but nothing I could have do today. Look here, miss. Why you question me? That's so rude, like you question me. You think it's easy? Don't do that. Don't do that. You know, if you take care of your family at the same time and make everything put together and make everything organized and them something there. Don't do that. Don't do that. Right now, I'm going to give a damn about here. I just want to say, all of my family, they're on the table and eat together and drink together. I'm having a merry time. Yeah, ear and nails are going to come. But make sure the settings do first. So my people, them, I guess them can welcome and settle down and nice. Achoo, don't do that. Don't do that. Ear and nails will be there. Right now, everybody just are rolling, but glad everybody they on time. I love them something there. I just want to say everybody there. So the thing is this right now, when everybody settle down on foot tomorrow, don't worry. You know, we not say too much. We not say 40. I swear to you. One thing though, this while I'm going to town. I'm going to the bank and I tell you, boy, I don't know what the devil want to do me, you know, but I have to run where the devil this while I go. Because I go in the bank this while I go. If I go get the little cheese, and next the devil go on like he want to come ramp with me and them something there, I have to run him away. I'm going to make him ramp with me. So you know what? I just rewind and come again and say, alright, another day for you. Nothing can take we down. Today birthday, happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to you. It's a freeze. Me, are you a freeze? Not me. Happy birthday to you, sweetheart. Happy birthday. They've out to do what eat and enjoy themselves. Go, they go look, come. We go get some food. Guys, I have to keep your phone charged up because we have LD now come down. We have Anna come down. A whole heap of little things where we want to make sure say people them comfortable. I am pretty set to be say, Bumi, you worry about everybody but not yourself. I just some stay. One day me broke out of that. God, Chef Ronnie are going bad. Guys, Chef are going bad. Chef are going, love stand. Chef are going, love stand. Stand. Yeah. Oh, send up July. I'm sure one. Hey, you know, like, become. Listen to me. Listen to me. I always work for no. Why you don't want to work for me? Hey, why? I always make sure say, oh, chef, sorry, chef. Oh, sorry, chef. I always make sure say, I show no what one. I see Wi-Fi at work. Guys, it at work now? Can say happy birthday for you. Yes, I would love to. Can you do it on my birthday? Can you sing happy birthday, sweetie? Can you do it on my birthday, please? I would love that. So guys, big up to the chef. Yeah, you love, look here. I'm gonna go look at chef and I'm cute. Don't look the chef, him cute. So she's the chef here. I'm gonna run off a whole thing for birthday. Chef, hold up now, make a girl them see. Go and start, yeah, go and start. So the chef there. Guys, look on fire. This is one I work hard. Watch him. He might work hard, guys. I'm not lie to you. Give it to Kevin. Kevin, I walk. And only yes, go back over here. Chef, hey girl, they must say you're nice, but you're cute. Yes, alright, look on Kevin, guys. Go like, you know, put in the work. Cheer, my uncle. Anyway, say she chef here again. If you not look him, just call me. I'm be the secretary and you're gonna have to give you no pass it, give me. Yes, baby? Come here, go in. Watch us, Zoe, give the chef 10 out of 10. Thank you, chef. Watch us. I want one of the chef too, so don't make me know. Me never know.
My brother.
Are you brother?
Kevin, I'm a brother.
For real? Murder Samantha, guys. I mean, there's no nothing. Now we know. So, guys, big up the chef over there, so too. Stop one, like, watch it. And nobody can look at me now, because I look like a my type. Anyways, over here again. Yeah, the girl over here say you're cute. When I make money off for you. Yeah, one. There always no people here. So, guys. Pool are set up now.
Oh yeah, I'm almost pulling out. You might have some going in the car.
So guys, see pool. Oh my God, the dark door.
Yeah.
Why did I go in a one dark pool? Oh, you have light. Give me, go shine something and stuff for me. Guys, I can't show any pool because it's dark. So I get some light. I'm gonna get one phone light. Give me. Guys, I can't show any pool, but it's full up. Right, the pool is full in.
Chicken
food? So not chicken food?
No, send everything out there, so.
No, so look who have the chicken food. I don't have to tell us that chicken him eat. Tell us that Jaden eat chicken, no lobster. No, man, I'm no lobster. Guys, I wish I could have shown the pool. They are so full up and thing. I send God for one light because I want to the fast and say everything. I want to the fast like me. If I egg we in, I read.
I pray for my friends. I pray for my family. I pray that those who hate me will never overthrow me. They will never. I pray that
Wanna
God kill me, some boy can't run it, please. Mama give me back and say for no bother me. Keep the peace that we celebrate. I know make we have a deal with the like us Saddam did. If I no bother me, don't follow me. Take off and bring me down.
guys, I'm not lying. I'm not treat me good. Because I have video phone. I always have video phone. I'm not bless up your life. That is not nice. I want to see a gift for my birthday. Well, Zoe, borrow one light now. Let me a phone. Let me a phone light. Thank you, baby. Bless up my life for me, Thank you. Let me a phone light. So where them I walk up and down? So me if I call everybody, stop walk up and down, Kevin, and relax now. Here, take time, me I come. I will do that. Time man I work hard, them need for join in and that with them. Like always.
Can I see phone?
Yeah. You hold the light now, that if you don't hold the man phone good. Guys, me not lie, them have to turn on the light for your pool cause yeah, this, that. So wait. So wait, we have to wait for the people them. I ask to hold the lights.
That's dark. See, it's dark.
So guys, why make the man turn on the lights? Why make the man turn on the lights so he look better than that? Yeah. Where I make him man turn on the light?
I'm calling.
Yeah?
I'm calling.
Listen to me. Hello, guy table, everybody. Don't move.
I'm calling.
Go to the table. Guy table. I go for my charger. Guy, don't remember. Sit on my table. I'm coming. I go furious. I go furious at people. Then. Guys, I'm not let my phone move. Go get changed. Where's Chanel? Chanel will come up tomorrow. Chanel will come tomorrow, guys. Anna's supposed to come tonight. So we are looking for Daniela, Anna tonight. Eldina tonight. And Chanel will come tomorrow. Hey, me black here now. Don't ramp with me. I will black your ass. Why you inside here?
When I eat out.
So why you not eat outside? So you hide and eat?
Yeah, so
Alright, so why you can't eat with the whole team?
I don't want to eat out.
Okay, you get up and go outside. Get up, come. I'll put that on the bed.
You have to go get the food, Alex.
Go out there, son. You should have known that from long time.
And then I'll go and go get it.
How for food that up there, son? Up there, son. Okay, alright. Who that come? Elina come? Me bomba come? We can clean Elina come. Guys, Elina come to us. Like you. You're a look fuck up, girl. What? You're good?
Yeah, man.
Oh, God.
I can't believe I'm feeling like I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed like a dog. I'm going. I can't believe that this is done to my life. No, my love. Why am I this so happy? That's weird, though. You still know I'm not proud with you now again. Guys, don't laugh. That's so embarrassing. I swear to you, that's so freaking Why? Guys, hello. Wanna go in? Where? Why? But there's a place where everybody's supposed to eat, so why everybody take the food and go inside of the house with it? That's crazy. Everybody sit down for me now, please. Zoe! Yeah, come.